Hi everyone, 16th of June. This is the Dillenger Off-Road Premium Electric Bicycle Kit. We're just going to look at some performance issues with the battery or the motor. We've just charged the battery, so you can see there it's green light. It's fully charged, so let's turn this on. Okay, you can see 295 kilometers on there. We've got 9 levels of power assist. The battery is not currently reading full capacity for some reason. I've just noticed it's been doing that ever since we got it back from the capacity test that Dillenger performed when we returned it under warranty. Anyway, the outcome of that was that the battery was fine. So let's take it for a bit of a spin and show you what the issues are. Okay, we've got this set on level 4 out of 9. We'll just go for a bit of a spin up the driveway. See the battery state of charge dropping off there. So we're on 2 bars now. No bars. Starting to flash. Okay, we've gone about 10 meters. Still flashing. I think we'll stop there. Starting to recover. But yeah, you see significant concern over whatever's happening there. Leave it with you. Thanks.